Hey everybody, I just love this 55 Chevy and I don't think I need to explain myself. Just look at it. The stance, the colors, awesome car. Body off frame restored and it's a powerhouse. It's a 413 stroker making 595 horsepower, a 4-speed, a Curry 9-inch rear, coilovers, Willwood disc brakes, power steering, power brakes. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and monthly payment, including this one right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't this one a beauty? It is straight. Uh, just all jet black and beautiful. The hood is all lined up and square and fits very nicely. All of this is straight. All the gaps are nice, square flush. No rust down here. It's smooth from the rockers to the roof. All beautiful, all super nice. Door fits real nice all the way around. Jambs are painted real nicely. Nice solid thunk. Quarter panels straight and lines are all nice. No rust, no damage, no issues with the body. All slick, straight. Even the bottom corners of the trunk fit the car real well. All this is real nice, clean, straight. I mean, you can see my reflection in the paint. It's like a mirror. Beautiful, straight, fits nice. Jams are real nice on this side too. No, not quite hard enough. There we go. The paint job's gorgeous, polished like a mirror. There's minor imperfections. They could have wet sanded a little closer to the gutter here, a little texture there. Over here, a couple little divots in the paint. So a couple minor things, so it's not perfect, but really, really nice. And it does look like all of the chrome and trim has been restored or replaced. The bird, the grill, all the bezels, the bumper guards, all beautiful. It has halogen headlights up front there. The stainless moldings are either restored and polished or they're new. The correct antenna is new. All this trim's real nice. The windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure that's replaced. The rest of the glass is all really nice too. I don't know if they replaced it or not, but a couple light scratches, so it's not perfect, but really nice glass. Mirrors on both sides. It has the fingernail guards here over the door handles. And again, all this stainless trim, all buffed out real nicely, sparkly, shiny. Tail lights, the V emblem, bumpers, all of that slick. These are bright LED lights with an LED third brake light right there. This car is a factory-born V8 Bel Air car. It's right in the VIN number, and it was built in California. Now the wheels, 18-inch American Racing torque thrust style wheels, fat in the back, taller, fatter tire, extra wide. And again, just take a second to look at that stance. Now let's open it up. We'll give you a tour of the inside in that motor. All right, I'm going to show you a nice clean trunk compartment. Underside of the trunk lid painted nice. Weather strip is replaced. The jamb is painted slick. And the whole inside is painted glossy as well, even under the mat. It is a reproduction mat. It has a spare tire, never been used. Complete jack assembly. Batteries relocated to the trunk. And there is a master disconnect switch as well. So nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. There's a seat divider in the back of the seat as well. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. The weather strips are replaced, and again, the jambs are painted exceptionally well. All the metal trim inside the car is painted real slick too. Now look at that red interior. That just pops. Looks like it's all new trim and handles and hardware as well. And it is obviously professionally done. All the interior fits real nicely. All painted slick, polished billet trim, white-faced gauges. And then it has a SunPro Super Tach mounted to the column. These move very freely, all nice, clean. New glove box liner. Kick panels are real nice. It has the real nice tight loop carpet. Although there is a hole here and here, something must have been mounted there at one time. And then you got the 4-speed shifter. Best part of it all, a Hurst shifter. Now this seat is either new or rebuilt, but nice and firm, very comfortable. New seat belts front and back. And wall to wall, the side panels, the armrests, the upholstery, all upholstered. It's all the same color red, and all the stitching and everything's real nice. This is professionally done. Look at the headliner that matches. There's no wrinkles. It's not coming apart in the corners. The light works. The visors were redone as well. The mirror looks new. Now it's an original style steering wheel, but it's a smaller diameter. We all got a little bit bigger bellies as we get older, and you got more room now. And it is on a tilt column. And the interior was also lined with sound deadener too before they put it all together. Now I've got some lengthy spec sheets on this motor. It's professionally built, and I won't bore you with all the details, but whoever buys the car will get all the details. It's all printed out on a sheet, which I'll put on our website too. But that is a World, let me look it up here one second. It is a World Products Motown 2 400 race block. Has aluminum AFR heads. It has an Edelbrock air gap intake that's been ported to match the heads. Internally, it's a Kelly's Dragon Slayer crank, Lunati roller cam, comp roller lifters and rockers, 11.3 to 1 compression, diamond forged pistons. It's got Doug's headers. Everything's installed neatly. The MSD ignition system. And look at this premium fuel system. And here's the Russell filter. Everything's clean. Hoses are run nicely. The front of the motor has a billet alternator, brackets, serpentine pulleys. Now keeping it cool is an aluminum water pump, big chrome electric fan, Be Cool aluminum radiator, an overflow tank. Now keeping it easy to drive, it's got power steering with a CPP steering box, power brakes with a Willwood master cylinder. It's got electric wipers. And again, everything's neat, clean, detailed, and installed properly. And it's making 595 horsepower. I also love the cast aluminum valve covers and air cleaner. Black and red matches the car. Michael's going to take you for a ride. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Got ourselves a little race car here, I tell you. Really nicely built 413. Listen to that exhaust right there. And that's with the dumps closed. Electronic exhaust dumps here on a key fob. Open those up if you want to shake things up a bit. It's supposed to be something like almost 600 horsepower. And that's paired up with a 4-speed manual. Really cool build. Looks so slick. Everything feels tight. Clutch has got a good healthy pedal to it. It's got a power steering. Let's see what she's got. just like that, we're doing 60. But yeah, like I was saying, it's got you know, power steering on it, and just a great build. You got to check out the pictures on the undercarriage. Highly upgraded, clear across the board. Let's see how it goes on the road with all those upgrades. This thing, you just drive and drive. Look at that. What a great alignment. What a great setup on the front end. Great car overall. Let's see if we can get those exhaust pumps open real quick. Check out all the details at volocars.com, and come take it for a test drive if you'd like. It's a heck of a good time.
So his body off the frame, and we were told it was also flipped on a rotisserie, and it sure looks like it because the floors, the frame rails, the inner rockers, all clean metal, all painted in nice semi-gloss black. Same thing with the frame and the chassis parts, all prepped and painted smooth semi-gloss black. Front steering and suspensions completely rebuilt. It does have drop spindles. It has a height sway bar. We talked about the CPP steering box, and it has Viking double adjustable coil over gas shocks. In back, it's upgraded with Calvert 9-way adjustable gas shocks, coilovers, and it has Calvert traction bars and the racing style mono leaf springs. Willwood disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It even has 6 piston calipers up front. And I don't know if that's considered the big brakes, but it's a big drilled and slotted disc in front as well. Also notice the red matches the interior. Custom e-brake assembly. Fuel system is all replaced. The tank is actually shiny. It's probably a stainless tank, and it's polished beautifully. A great exhaust system. It's a pipes exhaust system, really fat pipe, all TIG welded, has the X pipe. And it has, by remote control on the keychain, electric dumps. You can open it up and really rock and roll. Dynamax mufflers and the polished tips coming out the back. When you look up at the motor, it's an extra capacity oil pan. It has an extra quart of oil, a high torque starter, heavy duty scatter shield. It's a hydraulic clutch. They said the Muncie 4-speed was rebuilt with all the best parts. Aluminum drive shaft, custom drive shaft, goes back to a Curry heavy-duty 9-inch rear end. It's got 411 posi gears in it. So this thing is a slick, well put together car. I just love it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions like how you're going to get your 55 Chevy delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.